between this. And you put it through here. Cutting it longwise like this. Boiling up the chicken right now for this. It's going to be for this. And I'm gonna add this. Don't forget the soy sauce. Or you could go straight. Alright, this is my version of my adobo, just to utilize more vegetables and whatnot. You see in there's going to be some bay leaves as well, but I'm going to steam up all the onions that I cut up, and the garlic, and the cauliflower and broccoli, but it's going to be steamed, not stirred, kind of like a stir fry. I'm waiting for that to boil so it actually gets cooked more. As you can see, I added the vinegar and soy sauce to this as well. Okay, garlic to give this zing. It's almost done. We're going to add it to that with the mix. And you only need one. The other one's for the following week. Okay, so what I did was I put all of the chicken in with the steamed vegetables and onions, as you could see. Okay, now I'm frying it up to actually get that, adobo scent. Well, there you have it, folks. This is my version of adobo. Not too salty. Very, very healthy. Oh, just one.
Just one, and then